Where are we? All right, thanks for watching. So the takeaway I got, at least from this project, was that went in without a plan and tried to wing it, and end results when I actually got to start using the lathe, it was wobbly and didn't really work. So, like I should have done at first, is actually go and did some research. So I found out kind of what are the main parts. So there's the motor at one side, and then the part that holds it together on the other side, and then in the middle there's that carriage, and that's where you can use the chisel and work away at the project. Anyway, so a little bit of hindsight 2020 here. Learned a lot from how a real lathe works. So now, armed with the knowledge of how a real lathe works and all its parts and that, I can see what I did and where I went wrong. So yeah, I had the headstock, and I'm not really sure what to call how it was that I attached what I was working on, but it didn't work. It was wobbling around, and I ended up using my hand to hold it still, which was just dumb. Anyway, I'm kind of realizing now that I just had the tailstock in the wrong place. And I think that with this setup, I think it'll actually work. So stay tuned for a future version of a lathe I'm going to make, because I still have other projects where I need to, I don't know what the verb is, to lathe. I have other projects where I need to lathe things.